Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on camera access in the Opera web browser. So if for some reason camera access has been disabled or turned off, I'm going to show you guys how to turn it on. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by selecting the Opera logo up at the top. Just go ahead and left click on that to open up the menu. And you want to go down and select Settings. And on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath Privacy and Security and select Site Settings, controls what information sites can use and show, which includes location, camera, pop-ups, and more. Go ahead and select that. And then underneath Permissions, Camera, sites can ask to use your camera. Go ahead and select that. So make sure sites can ask to use your camera selected. Make sure it's not set to the second option here, which is don't allow sites to use your camera. So again, make sure the first option is selected here. And that's pretty much it. And if for some reason there was some website down here that was not allowed to use your camera, I'd recommend selecting it and then deleting or removing that from this list. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.